To all who come to this happy place, welcome and good morning, everyone. We have some extra special friends here to welcome you all today. Let's hear it for Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Well, hi everybody.
Good morning!
Gosh, it sure is great to see so many amazing friends.
It certainly is! Oh, I have a feeling today is going to be the best day ever!
You said it, Minnie. And now that we're all together, we got a surprise for you. When everybody heard that you were gonna be here, they just had to come and give you a great big Magic Kingdom welcome.
And here they come now!
Hot dog! Now that everybody's here, I think it's time to start the day.
And that means we're going to need just a little bit of magic!
I bet these folks can help with that.
Oh, I know they can!
On the count of three, everybody shout, let the magic begin. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3!
Welcome to a place where dreams come true. A timeless journey through lands of fantasy. Where only a wish creates things like this to appear. The most magical place on earth is here.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get going.
Come on, everyone!
See ya real soon.
For your safety and the safety of those around you, please walk slowly and carefully to your next destination. Thank you.